Yo, what's up, people? They just got me a box from Ken's Fish World today. And I think yesterday's time I got my stuff from Amazon. For something my glued aldehyde, I'm getting that. But I got two of these. I got one to run my tank outside, and maybe to run my tanks inside, but I don't know. Yeah, Cichlid Stone, 15 pack. Real nice. That's a 2-piece of wood. I think it was on sale or something. They got me nice. They gave me one nice piece and one kind of like, you know, janky piece or whatever. Those guys, those two nice pieces. I got me some salt. I got the Cichlid Lake salt, Tanganyika buffer. You already know what's up. Got the Tanganyikans. First I had 10 of these filters to run my tanks outside and stuff. My rocks. Seachem. Hold on, let me take this out. That's Pond Matrix. And then I got 500 feet of tubing. And that's about it, I think. I should have a bottle of stability in here somewhere. I don't know where it went. But yeah, that's about it. Do a little unboxing to show y'all. Anyway, hit me up.